Hey Robert, that Genesis, this is it that we were talking about. Does have the tech package on it. Just got it in, so it hadn't been through detail yet. But I definitely want to give you a quick walk around video of it. And again, does have the tech package, does have the panoramic sunroof. Beige interior. Power seats, memory seats, heated and cooled seats. Doesn't have but about 6,800 miles on it, man. Let me get it through service and everything, and we'll give you a call, get you in here, let you take a look at it, all right? Appreciate your time, sir. All right, Robert, this is it, man. I'm gonna need you to be fast on this one. This thing won't last long, all right? Appreciate it.